In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Naggo Head Primary won and decided to allow Bamboo Primary to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Bamboo Primary. Bamboo Primary, Bible knowledge. For how many pieces of silver did Judas betray Jesus?
30 pieces of silver, 30 pieces of silver.
Correct. Naggo Head, Bible knowledge. Who used the jawbone of a donkey to kill 20,000 Philistines?
Samson.
Correct. Bamboo, local affairs. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Desmond Mackenzie. Desmond Mackenzie.
That's right.
Good.
Naggo Head, local affairs. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Delroy Chuck.
That's right. Science, Bamboo. What is another name for the uterus in a woman?
Womb.
That's correct. Naggo Head, what is another name for the thigh bone in humans?
Femur.
The femur.
That's right. Theater, it's a visual for Bamboo. Look at the monitor and identify this character.
Big Bird. Big Bird.
That's correct.
Good.
Naggo Head, it's also a visual theater. Look at the monitor and identify the character.
Trashy face. No, brother. Just make him say it. Kill the question.
Trashy face.
Incorrect. The answer is Oscar the Grouch. Bamboo, English language. Spell assemble.
Spell ASSEMBLE.
That's right.
Good.
Naggo Head, English language. Spell physique.
Mine. Physique. PHYSIQUE.
That's correct. Bamboo, sports. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Chris Gale. Chris Gale.
Incorrect. It's Shea Hope, West Indian cricketer. Naggo Head, sports. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Just say Courtney Walsh. Kill the question. Courtney Walsh.
Incorrect. It's Jermaine Blackwood, West Indian cricketer. Bamboo, general knowledge. In which country is the Sydney Opera House located?
Australia.
Australia.
That's correct. General knowledge, Naggo Head. In which country is the River Thames located?
Jordan. Germany.
Incorrect. It's England or Great Britain. Bamboo, social studies. Who was Jamaica's third prime minister?
You sure? You sure?
That's correct. Social studies, Naggo Head. Who succeeded Hugh Shearer as Jamaica's prime minister?
Michael Manley.
That's correct. Bamboo, music. Which Jamaican artist released the single Toast?
Coffee. Coffee.
That's right. Naggo Head, music. Which Jamaican artist released the single Skankin' Sweet?
Chronics.
That's correct. Mathematics, Bamboo. What is 15,090 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
20,000.
20,000.
That's correct.
Good.
Mathematics, Naggo Head. What is 13,499 rounded to the nearest 100?
13,500.
That's correct. Jamaican affairs, Bamboo. What does the abbreviation JMEA stand for?
Mine, Jamaican Manufacturers and Exporters
Association.
That's correct. Jamaican affairs, Naggo Head. What does the abbreviation PSOJ stand for?
Planning Institute of Jamaica.
Planning Institute of Jamaica.
That's incorrect. It's the private sector organization of Jamaica. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Bamboo Primary on 10 and Naggo Head on 7. We go to a break with a friendly tip from Guardian New Ultimate Provider. Never take a ride from a stranger, speak to a stranger, or walk with a stranger when you are traveling to or from school. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.